Hello, everybody. It's Joanne Perry here, and I just wanted to come on here to introduce myself for those who don't know me yet. And because I just signed up to be a consultant with GelMoment, and this is all new to me as a business, but I have been using the products for a few years on and off. And as you can see, I did my nails just Monday, and it's gel nails. So I will show you how to do this as we go. And the thing is there's no top coat and base coat. Like, you don't need to do those steps. You just put your nail polish on and heat set it, and then you go with a second coat if you need to, and you heat set it again, and that's it. And you're good for a couple weeks. Normally, look at mine. So mine, try to remember what color this was. I have it on my blog. I took a picture of it. I just can't remember right off the bat. And I put a layer, so I put a layer of the gel polish, and then I put some powder. It's called the chrome, and there's different colors, different shades. It's like a shimmer to it, and I just put it on the tips of my nails, as you can see, to give kind of like an ombre look. And then after that, I just put another coat of Frisky. It's a clear coat on it. So I can't remember the Clearly Frisky, I think it's called. Anyways, so I just did them myself, and I went to my mom's on Tuesday, and I did hers too. Hers are in the blues. So yeah, instead of going to the salon, especially with COVID, you never know what's going on, if it's gonna get worse or not. Like, the salons were closed for a while, so for those of you who usually go to get them done, this is a good way for you to start doing it by by yourself at home. And in the long run, you're saving money too, because you have all the supplies that you need for it. So anyways, I will just leave you with that information for now. And this is my website, joanneperry.gelmoment.com, and my email is stampin'jo@gmail.com. And I'll help you as we go, but for now I just wanted to show you my starter kit. I just received the starter kit, and I'll show you which one I took. I just took the basic one because, like I said, I already had some stuff. I had the lamp and all, but you have to at least get the basic one, which is $79. And I'm gonna show you what I received. So this is my box. Okay, and I'll take everything out. So first of all, the main thing you need is your lamp, and this is a LED lamp. I'll show you what mine looks like. So I'm gonna have 2 of these, so I will keep that one for the first person who orders one. You can have it right away. I'm gonna keep using my pink one for now. So you can plug it in your computer, or you can use this to plug it in the wall. So, and all you do is you put your nail polish on, your gel, and you put your fingers in there and you press that button, and it automatically shuts off when you're done. Sorry if you hear my daughter going crazy upstairs. She's playing with Daisy, my dog. So yes, so just that alone, the lamp is, the mini one is $27.50. Like I said, that one does 2 nails at a time. So when you're doing it, you just put 2 nails at a time, and then when you're done, you do your thumbs, and that's it. And that's when you want to take them off. You will use your Gentle Care removers. They're little pouches, and you rip the top off, and you put your nails in it. You put them on all your nails at once if you want, and just secure them on there. There's like a tape that you wrap around it. That's one way to do it, but there's also the other product that I don't know how long they've had it, but I didn't know about it before. It's what's it called? Flake Off. And it's just like a polish. You just put it on your nails and it starts bubbling, and after 3 to 5 minutes you start removing it with the cuticle pusher. It's like a little scraper too, and it comes off. Sometimes you need to put a second coat on it, depends on how many coats you have on, but I do prefer that way better. But with your starter kit, you have to get some of these. There's the minimum 70, what did I say, $79. But if you, when you're doing the starter kit to become a demonstrator, you will see an option to take, how would you say that, upgrade to a higher kit. So you can choose between this or the flake off at that time. Before you do your nails, you need to cleanse them. So you want to make sure your nails are really clean. This is the nail cleansers. There's 50 pads in there. So yeah, these ones here are normally $6. This one here, this one is $15. The cleansers are $6.25. So you're seeing the value already with your kit. You get 2 professional nail files, and I love these. I have them all over the house. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while. I use them even without the nail polish. I just love it. This is the rough side, and then you can buff it. So there's 2 of them. These are $6.25. And then the main thing is your gel, your colors. So when you become a consultant, you get 2 in your kit if you choose the $79. These are $25 each alone. So there you go, $50 right there, and all of those. So if you want to buy stuff for yourself and save, you get a discount. I think it's 15% when you first start out. Then it goes up as you go, the more you sell and all that, just like any other direct sales. I got these little samplers. They're shampoo, so we sell shampoo and conditioners. What else is in there? Oh, I got this too. It's oil treatment for your hair therapy. So you get those. The kit's not always exactly the same, I guess. So, but when you do place the order, you print out the receipt, and it's gonna show you what's gonna come in your kit. And I got all these little postcards. That's with the instructions, how to apply them and how to remove them. So with the flake off remover. So I get all these. I got some, let's see, distributor guide. Yeah, I guess I'm not a consultant or demonstrator. It's distributor. I do Stampin' Up too, so I have different titles. There's party guides for the hostess. There you go. So my first host is going to be Bonnie, and we will be in touch about how this is going to work. We'll make sure you get lots of free stuff. Then I have some catalogs. They only send 4. I can order some more, but everything is online actually, because the catalogs, I don't think they even have the prices in them. It's just good to see the colors of the gel. Yeah. Just shows you all the products, but there's no pricing in them. So you just go online and you see everything on there. Oh, I lied. Look, I did find it here. I can sell to people in Canada, US, and Australia. Pretty cool. And it's $5 shipping on all orders over $125. Anyway, I'm still learning a lot of stuff, so I will tell you more about it as I go. Got this. I'm assuming they're order forms. Yep, the order forms. Well, you can place orders online as well. And this and this. And we even get a charm when we first start. And every time we change to a different title, we get a different charm. And it says, congratulations on joining GelMoment. All right. Just wanted to show you this. I'm so excited. I got 2 new colors. And I'm gonna be ordering some more, of course, but I'll show you some more nails, and I'll share some videos and pictures. If you have any questions, contact me. Like I said, email is here, and my website to see all of the products. It's joanneperry.gelmoment.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.